The membership company LiveGood. It is a global opportunity to earn money. The membership is $9.95 per month. Benefits: high-quality products for very competitive prices. To become an affiliate, a member pays a one-time fee of $40. So to become an affiliate you only need $50, 40 plus $9.95. As an affiliate you don't need to buy or sell products. You can sell if you want, but you don't need to sell anything to earn passive income. But this will take time. However, if an affiliate wants to actively earn money without selling anything, he can refer people to the LiveGood Affiliate Program. When an affiliate enrolls 2 persons, he gets the $50 back from LiveGood. Every time an affiliate enrolls a person, he earns $25. And next to these earnings, there are 5 other ways to earn money. So don't wait any longer and join LiveGood too if you can. LiveGood is growing very fast, with people from all over the world. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Please subscribe and share this video about this global opportunity.